हेलो एंड नमस्ते दोस्तों, माय नेम है श्वेता एंड मैं आज आपके लिए बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आई हूँ आप सभी के फेवरेट प्रोजेक्ट में, विच इज़ हीरानंदानी गार्डन्स पवई। सो गाइस, आपको पता ही होगा हीरानंदानी पवई में फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बाय द वे अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रॉपर्टी का ऑप्शन आया है। सो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग वेट यू हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय अ हाउस in under construction wherein you can choose your inventory as per your preferences and choices. So in this there is no barring of the limited units and everything. आपकी मर्जी, आपकी चॉइस, आपकी प्रेफरेंस सबसे पहले रखी जाएगी, जिसमें आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है 3 and 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट लेने की। 3 BHK, 4 BHK no doubtedly carpet size are going to be very huge in size. We will talk about that in the further part, but before that let me give you a small brief about this beautiful and one of its own kind township. So this township is of 250 plus acres जिसमें 50 residential towers है and इसमें 50 plus acres amenities open space है, आपके open space के लिए रखी गई है, जैसे garden and what not. 7.6 acres का approximately man made forest है, green space है and 1 lakh plus tree planted है. So imagine ऐसी टाउनशिप में घर लेना and also this is not a regular township, it's an integrated township. So when I say integrated, everything is covered under it, right from your schools, hospitals, commercial, retail outlets, social life. So guys, everything is into this township. आपके लिए सारी चीज़ें covered है and right behind me you can see this hustling bustling city of Powai, Hiranandani. So when you are in Hiranandani, you will truly feel you are not in India. बिकॉज इट इज़ मोर ऑन अ यूरोपियन थीम. सो यहाँ पे ये जो फसाड आप देख सकते हो, जो आउटर लुक देख सकते हो, इसको हम कहते हैं न्यू आर्किटेक्चरल डिज़ाइन. सो इसकी डिज़ाइन कुछ इस तरीके से कि इट मेक्स यू मोर फील लाइक यू आर इन यूरोप, नॉट इन इंडिया. सो येस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ बीन प्लान्ड, वैसे भी आपको सारी फैसिलिटीज़ अप टू द मार्क दी गई है, इवन बियॉन्ड अप टू द मार्क, कि आपको सच में ऐसा लगेगा आप बहुत एक प्लान्ड सिटी में रह रहे हो. वेरी वेल डिज़ाइंड, हर एक चीज़ अंदर आपके लिए ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड है, खुद का एक शहर है ये. गाइज़, अगर आपको और डिटेल में हीरानंदानी पवई के बारे में जानना है तो हमने उसका वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाया हुआ है, तो आप आई बटन पे क्लिक करके वो पूरा वीडियो देख सकते हैं. आज मैं आपसे सिर्फ बात करने वाली हूँ एम्प्रेस हिल के बारे में, जो एक न्यूएस्ट लॉन्च है अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है 2, 3 and 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट होम परचेज़ करने का. यहाँ पे 2 बेड, 3 बेड और 4 बेड सारे ऑप्शन आपको मिलते हैं. So guys, if you are planning for a 2-bed ultra luxurious spacious home, then 890 carpet is just for you. अगर आप 3 बेड प्लान कर रहे हो तो 1100 से लेके 1452 तक के ऑप्शन से बहुत सारी रेंज है. अगर आप 4 BHK प्लान कर रहे हो तो 1955 का आपको अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कारपेट मिल जाता है इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर 4 बेड. सो येस गाइस, सारे बड़े लेआउट से, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ हीरानंदानी कम्युनिटीज़, सो नो डाउट आपको कारपेट एरियाज़ बड़े ही मिलेंगे. So guys, I am sure everybody know about Powai location, the connectivity of it. Still, for my NRI friends and outstation people who do not live in Mumbai, I will get it covered for you. So Powai is a centrally located location जहाँ से आपका नवी मुंबई, थाने, मुंबई बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्टेड है. यहाँ से आप एग्जिस्टिंग इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट एक 20 to 30 मिनट्स के ड्राइविंग डिस्टेंस पे पहुँचते हो. यहाँ से BKC आपका 15 to 20 मिनट्स ड्राइविंग डिस्टेंस पे है. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी पवई के अंदर सारी चीज़ें, सारे टॉप क्लास IT कंपनीज़, बड़े बड़े ऑफिस स्पेसेस ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है. बेस्ट स्कूल्स, बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल आपको पवई के विसिनिटी में ही मिल जाता है, जैसे हीरानंदानी ट्रस्ट हॉस्पिटल इज़ ऑलरेडी इनसाइड द टाउनशिप. सो हीरानंदानी स्कूल, पोदार International School, all these schools are already inside the integrated township. So when you buy a home in EMpress Hill, you get all the amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, landscape, garden, everything is covered for you guys. Now let's go inside and see a show apartment for the better understanding of the layouts. Guys, as promised to you, I'll be showing you a 3 BHK show apartment from which you can literally take inspiration as well in terms of interior designing and everything. So this is the largest 3 BHK that I'll be showing you, that is 1456 is the carpet. If you want, there are also options of 1100, 1200, 1250 and 13 and so on, 1300 and so on for your other options. This is the biggest one, that is what I'll be showing you. So the size, you will be highly impressed, so stick till the very end of the video. So this is the foyer area. As we enter, the foyer area size is lovely. It is 5.7 by 2.8. So this is how your grand foyer area will be like. You can just design it elegantly the way you want it. And then we enter in this massive sized living area, that is your lounge space. So the size of this giant sized lounge space is 11.6 by 25, guys. And then apart from this area, you also have your separate dining space for you and your family. The size is 10.5 by 5.3. Apart from this one, it does not end here. Let me take you towards the deck. The deck is really extraordinarily designed. I just loved it, and so will you. So come with me, guys, let's check this out. So the size of this deck is 16.8 by 5.6. So 5.6 is the width and it is lovely, and the size is 16.8. So it starts from your living area and goes till your very end of your bedroom, other bedrooms, right? So this is how your look of the balcony will be. It will be having this beautiful, elegantly designed facade of the glass facade, and then it has this premium coating on the top of the beige color. So I just loved it. It is very, very clean and very, very beautiful in terms of the outer look of the building. Of course, it's Hiranandani, needless to say that. It comes with a wooden flooring. This is a double glazed window. Then your flooring will be marble flooring. Your apartment will be like your living area will have split ACs, so air conditions in your living as well as your dining space, also in the other part of your rooms like bedrooms. So now we'll be quickly moving towards the kitchen space, because when we are near the dining area, of course we're gonna check the kitchen. So the kitchen size is 12.6 by 8.6 and the kitchen is lovely. You will love it too. It comes with a marble flooring, and then there's another space of utility area over there which is 5 by 5. But before that, we'll stick to the kitchen first, because it comes with a white goods as well along with it. So first of all, your platform, this is quartz stone platform that you will be getting along with the sink and the white goods. So the white goods are firstly your refrigerator. This is what you will be getting, and there's a microwave oven. Your hob and hood will be along with it. Then washing machine with the dryer and the dishwasher. This all comes along with it. So yes, this is really interesting. And then we'll move forward towards the dry space. So this is your utility space. Everything comes along as spoken to you. Even the modular kitchen that you can see, the modular, everything is the part of the apartment that you will be getting with. So yes, this is how this entire kitchen is, and oh my god, it's so neat, so beautiful, so premium in every possible way. And when it comes with the white goods, this is the best part, right? So now we'll be moving towards the bedrooms. So we'll be checking this first bedroom on my left, as it is a butterfly layout. One bedroom is on this side, another two are on that side. So this entire apartment is with the marble flooring. May it be kitchen, living, bedrooms. So now we'll be entering towards the first master bedroom. So the size of this master bedroom is fantastic, guys. It is 10 by 15 and look how voluminous it is. You can just look for yourself. This is how you'll get the window over here. Here is a balcony and this window gets light. So then this is how the window is. It is aluminium double glazed window. You can come and see the quality of the window. It's brilliant. And this is not it, guys. The bedroom comes with the air condition as well as modular electrical switches along with the home automation. So everything that you can see over here, like this panels and everything. So this is how you will just get it, everything prefixed. So yes, now let me show you the best part about this bedroom. It comes with a very nicely designed walk-in wardrobe. So 6.7 by 4.8 is the size of your walk-in wardrobe, and you can look for yourself. It's very well designed. And on this side is your bathroom, which is 8 by 5. So in bathroom, whatever you can see, this is how exactly you will get. Basically your glass partition between the shower. You will get this same platform, basin like your sink, and the cabinets below the sink. So this countertop and your cabinets will be as you can see, just like that, and your tiles, everything will be same as you can see over here. So this is the best part about the bathroom. So as we are done with this master suite, let me take you towards the other bedrooms. Whenever I walk in Hiranandani layouts, I feel very overwhelming because the sizes are huge and very promising and beyond beautiful. So come on guys, this is your second bedroom, which is the common bedroom. The size of this common bedroom is not so common. So it is 10 by 14. This is the size of your common bedroom. So this is how beautiful it looks like. And on this side, as you can see, the balcony that we have seen in the living area, it continues. So as it was the floating balcony, so this is how it comes with the similar balcony that we have seen in the living area. 5.6 is the width of it. So you can just see, you can just take an inspiration. This is how elegantly, beautifully you can design your common bedroom. On that side is your wardrobes. Now we'll be going towards the last and the final bedroom of the house. That is this one. But before that, let me show you the common bathroom. So again, the common bathroom, whatever I have mentioned in that bathroom remains same. So all these things will be along with your bathroom space. The size of the common bathroom that you can see over here is 8 by 4.6, guys. Now let me show you the last and the final bedroom of the house, that is your grand master suite. So as you come inside, this is the size of your living area, that is 11 by 16, and look for yourself. This is literally an outstanding bedroom size, and one would really love it if they wish to have this huge sized bedroom. If you are one of them, this is the layout for you guys. So there's an additional deck over there which is attached to this master bedroom. So apart from this entire huge space, this is not over, because here comes another space, that is your walk-in wardrobe, which is really grand in size. So the size of this walk-in wardrobe, you can just come and see. This is huge, and this is how you can just plan it the way you want it entirely. You can even make shelves on this side. Ideally there are only shelves on this side, like this is your wardrobe, but you can also place some more shelves over here if you want to keep some shoes or some bags or some perfumes or whatever you are into it. And here comes your attached bathroom. So the bathroom size is 8 by 5. So this is the Todo commode, which is the very popular commode in Japan, which has all the buttons over here. So everything is right over there for you. So this is one of the most premium commodes that one can have, and it comes with everything that you can see over here, right from your platform, countertop platform, to your lower cabinets, cubicles, shower area, shower space, fittings, whatever you are seeing, just like that. So yes, this is the best part about this bathroom. It speaks elegance and royalty. So 5.6 by 8.6 was this your wardrobe area, which I just forgot to mention. So yes, this is the end of the tour of this lavish 3 BHK apartment with all the premium fittings that you will be getting for yourself, including some white goods in the kitchen. So So I'm sure you would have loved it in every possible way. And if you are dreaming to buy a house, something like this, which was always in your mind, wherein your bedroom speaks volume and living is this grand, then you have to call on the given number, talk to the direct sales representative, book your appointment as soon as possible before you run out of the choices and inventory, guys, because it's Hiranandani. Of course, everybody want to be a part of it. They want the best possible homes with the best possible layout, best possible facade and the best possible construction quality, and we all know it. May it be 10 years, 20 years, the Hiranandani buildings just look wow in every possible way. There's no need for repaint, no need for touch up. They are, just one of its own kind. So if you are also someone for whom the construction quality, location, layout, everything matters, then you have to put your money at the right place. So this is it, guys. So I really hope that this video added some value to your home search, and if it really did, and if you have yet not subscribed us, kindly do so, because it gives us the motivation to come up with the latest video every single week just for you guys. And you have to call on the given number to talk to the direct sales representative, book your site visit and get the best possible price for yourself. Also, you can go in the description, click on the link for the brochures and the floor plan. We'll meet again very soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care and all the best for your property search.